ASUS has updated its Zenbook and VivoBook series lineup laptops with the newest and greatest hardware, including the one that I have here, the ASUS Zenbook 14 OLEDs. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 59. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we'll be checking out the ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED UX3402, which has updated to the latest Intel 12 Gen Alderlake processor, a speedy LPDDR5 memories, and a blazing fast PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Besides that, ASUS has moved away from the concentric circle logo back covers designs and features a more simple design and subtle ASUS logo at the bottom corner. The aluminium armored Zenbook 14 OLED is solid and lightweight at just 1.39 kg. Even meets the 810H US military standard for reliabilities and durabilities. It's shown zero flexings on the chassis when I try bending it with both of my hands. The display lid can be lifted open with one finger. The new design ASUS Ergo Lift not only tilts the keyboard upwards while raising the chassis for optimized air cooling, it can also open 180-degree lay flat, making it easier to collaborate with a group of people around. The same tactile chiclet keyboard with backlit was used on the Zenbook 14 OLED and NumberPad 2.0s on the trackpad. The power button is doubled as a fingerprint scanner and has moved before the delete button, which isn't bad as a typical keyboard layout. The delete button is placed on the top right corner. Coming to ports and connectivities, the Zenbook 14 OLED has a pretty complete ports array, a USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 on the right, and HDMI 2.0B, a 3.5mm audio combo ports, two Thunderbolt 4 that support power delivery and display out, and a micro SD card reader on the left. The glossy 16x10 14-inch OLED has a high 2080 by 1800 resolutions and smooth 90Hz refresh rate, making navigation silky smooth on Windows 11s and other supported applications. The ASUS OLED panel is brilliantly bright with up to 550 nits peak brightness, 100% DCI P3 color space, Pantone validated, Versa certified display HDR True Black 500s, and SGS iCare display. The inky black OLED display is accurate in colors and great for media consumptions as well as creations. It also pairs with a solid Harman Kardon tuned speakers with Dolby Atmos certified, which offer a good spatial experience. As mentioned earlier, the Zenbook 14 OLED is now powered by the Intel latest 12 Gen Alderlake P series processor, LPDDR5 memories, and a PCIe 4.0 SSD. The review unit that I have here is configured with an Intel Core i7 1260p processor that has 12 core, 4 performance and 8 efficient core, as well as 16 combined threads. It also paired with Intel Xe96 graphics with up to 1.4 GHz frequency speed, a 16GB non-upgradable LPDDR5 4800 MHz memory, and 512GB Samsung PM9A1 PCIe Gen 4 SSD. ASUS has redesigned the motherboard with a new thermal modules. The radiator is now placed on the side instead, blowing the hot air towards the display. The ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED is also Intel Evo certified, promises consistent performance while running on battery, instant wake, at least 9 hours of battery life, fast charging, and speedy connectivities like Wi-Fi 6E. Even though the ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED is a thin and light laptop, it is capable of handling light games on low settings and simple photos or video editing. Packed with a large 75 working hours batteries and offer an average of 6 to 7 hours on normal use and could stretch up to 8 hours with movie binging. The provided USB-C PD chargers can fuel the laptops to 60% in just 49 minutes. The ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED is a premium mainstream, thin and light laptop that strike balance between performance and power efficiency. It gets all the latest and best hardware for 2022 laptops, including the Intel 12 Gen processor, LPDDR5 memory, a blazing fast PCIe Gen 4, Thunderbolt 4, and a premium OLED display. You can own the ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED with a starting price of RM4399 for the Intel i5 1240p or RM5599 for the Intel i7 1260p, which I reviewed today. That's all from me on the ASUS Zenbook 14 OLED UX3402. A complete written review is available now on my tech site. Link will be in the description box below. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.